Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write a 10-line essay on the topic Digital India. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the Digital India is a campaign started by India's government in 2015. Second line is, it was started with the objective of connecting rural areas with high-speed internet networks. Third line is, it is an initiative of our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi to make India a digitally blooming country. Fourth line is, the aim is to make a digitally empowered country. Fifth line is, this will bring revolution in the country through the internet. Sixth line is, this will transform the society and will contribute to growth of the country. Seventh line is, it guarantees the online access of government services to the citizen. Next line is, using technology, we can save our precious time. Ninth line is, this initiative will benefit everyone, especially the rural India. Last line, that is line number 10, is, it has the potential to improve efficiency and accessibility of services and learning programs.